Have you ever looked at a giant skyscraper and wondered, how does that not fall over? The answer isn't just hammers and nails, it's science. Every building, from a tiny house to a massive bridge, starts with an engineer solving a problem. They have to make two crucial choices: the right materials and the right shapes. You wouldn't build a house from chocolate because it would melt. You need wood for warmth or concrete for strength. But even more important is the shape. The humble triangle is the undisputed champion of construction. It's incredibly strong and rigid, which is why you see it holding up everything from roofs to the Eiffel Tower. The arch is another genius shape, pushing weight out to the sides, allowing ancient Roman bridges to stand for 2,000 years. This isn't new science. For centuries, people have used what nature provides. In the Arctic, igloos use the tiny air pockets in snow as brilliant insulation. In the desert, thick walls of adobe, mud and straw, absorb the day's scorching heat to keep the inside cool, then release that warmth during the cold night. Even termites are master engineers, building mounds with natural air conditioning. Engineers don't always get it right the first time. They follow a process: define a problem, build a model, test it, and when it fails, they improve it. This cycle of testing and improving is how the world's greatest structures were born. So next time you walk down the street, look up. See the triangles, the arches, the smart choice of materials. You're seeing science at work, quietly and strongly, holding our world together.